How to get unlimited gems on Hunting Sniper. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of gems in this game. First of all, I'm going to show you where the gems section is. Here on the top you can see the section of gems. So this is the place where it shows how much gems you have. Now in order to collect it or add more, you have to win the game and bring a lot of achievements. This will easily get you a lot of gems in this game. Here in your profile icon, tap on it. So here on the bottom you can see the option called achievements. Tap on achievements. So this is the place where you can easily get the gems. So as you can see in my context, I have a lot to collect. Now tap on collect. So as you can see, it has been increased. So achieving this rookie or other achievements that are available here, it will certainly give you the gems. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.